A home should have little moments of delight in it, and the design should allow that. It can lift you up from the daily routines that we all have.
Happiness is here at last.
When you get to the front of the house, it's this very simple 1940s, in the middle of the Second World War brick house. You've got this really compressed walkway, and then once you turn the corner, the design just scales up a bit of architectural moment of drama.
So good! How good! So good!
The living room is designed down to the millimeter, because if the couch moves too much over into that corridor or the passageway that we've designed, then the island doesn't work. Then if the island doesn't work, the kitchen gets too compressed. This space, in order to make it feel big, has to be considered down to the millimeter.
I think design's always about a contest of ideas. Which idea is the stronger idea, the better idea?
I like to think of it like a pitch contest. If I can convince you, the idea wins, or if you convince me, the idea wins.
Exactly.
You know, two minds are better than one. This house is about 75 square meters smaller than what the maximum allowable by right would have been. So people think of sustainability as features and bells and whistles, but the biggest impact you can have is to actually just live smaller, live simpler.